Guys, we got a winter weather warning for our area to start today. I need to go get some groceries. I need to drop some stuff off at the post office. And I just need to get some stuff done before snow hits the ground.
Trading gifts while the fire glows. Families making memories they won't forget. Sleigh rides on frosty nights. Warm hearts when it's cold outside.
Well guys, little update. So we got a couple of our errands done and it started dumping snow right outside right now. I'll show you guys in just a second. So we are actually going and picking up my oldest from school because they're shutting the schools down because it's snow time, guys.